Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss a topic that we all know but sometimes we resist accepting the true facts. The universal truth: no one can have everything. In the grand tapestry of the universe, the fundamental principle governs all aspects of existence. No one can have everything. This notion is not just a philosophical musing or a cultural adage, but a profound truth that underpins the fabric of reality. It is the law that reflects the inherent limitations of our physical, temporal, and spiritual worlds. To understand this principle deeply, we must explore its manifestations in various domains, including nature, human life, society, and metaphysical. The finite nature of resources. At the core of this universal law is the concept of scarcity. The physical world is bounded by finite resources, whether it be land, water, minerals, or energy. Despite the boundless expanse of the cosmos, the availability of resources on Earth is limited. The limitation means that no single entity, person, or society can possess all resources. This scarcity necessitates choices and prioritization, forcing individuals and societies to make decisions about what they value most. In economics, this principle is articulated as the law of opportunity cost, which states that in the world of limited resources, choosing one option means foregoing another. For example, a nation investing heavily in military infrastructure may have to sacrifice investments in education or healthcare. Similarly, an individual devoting time and energy to a career may have less to spend on personal relationships or leisure activities. These trade-offs are inescapable, illustrating that it is impossible to have everything simultaneously. The temporal limitations of human life. Human beings are also constrained by time. Life is finite and the time available to each person is limited. This temporal limitation further reinforces the impossibility of having everything. Even the wealthiest, the most powerful individuals cannot extend their time on earth indefinitely. This limitation means that individuals must prioritize their pursuits, knowing that they cannot achieve all their desires within a single lifetime. The fleeting nature of time also impacts the ability to experience and savor life's moments. The philosopher Martin Heidegger spoke of being toward death, emphasizing that awareness of our mortality gives meaning to our actions. This awareness drives home the point that our choices are meaningful precisely because we cannot do everything. The scarcity of time and the inevitability of death compel us to find purpose and prioritize what truly matters to us. The emotional and psychological dimensions. Emotionally and psychologically, the pursuit of having everything can lead to dissatisfaction and a sense of emptiness. The hedonic treadmill effect describes how people quickly return to a baseline level of happiness regardless of positive or negative life changes. As individuals acquire more wealth, possessions, or achievements, their expectations and desires escalate, often leaving them feeling unfulfilled. This phenomenon suggests that true contentment does not come from having everything, but from appreciating what one has and finding meaning in life beyond material possessions. Philosophers and spiritual leaders throughout history have echoed this sentiment, emphasizing the importance of gratitude, contentment, and mindfulness. The Buddha's teachings on detachment and Stoic philosophy of focusing on what is within our control both reflect the understanding that external, societal, and ethical considerations. On a societal level, the quest for everything can lead to ethical dilemmas. The social inequalities in the world where resources are finite, the excessive accumulation of wealth and power by a few often comes at the expense of others. Disparity can lead to social unrest, economic disparities, and environmental degradation. The unequal distribution of resources is the manifestation of the fact that not everyone can have everything, and when some have too much, others have too little. Ethically, the principle that no one can have everything calls for a sense of responsibility and stewardship. It challenges individuals and societies to consider the impact of their actions on others and the planet. The concept of sustainability arises from this recognition, urging us to balance our needs and the needs of the future generations. It is an acknowledgement that the pursuit of unlimited growth and consumption is neither ethical nor metaphysical perspective. From the metaphysical perspective, the limitation that no one can have everything can be seen as a feature rather than a flaw of the universe. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness and interdependence of all beings. The universe balance requires that no single entity can dominate all aspects of existence. This balance is seen in natural ecosystems where diversity and interdependence are essential for stability and resilience. In spiritual traditions, this principle is often related to the idea of humility and the acceptance of one's place in the grand scheme of things. Many spiritual paths teach that true wisdom comes from recognizing one's limitations and embracing the mystery of existence. This humility fosters a sense of awe and reverence of life, encouraging individuals to seek harmony rather than dominance. Conclusions. The universal law that no one can have everything is profound truth and permeates all aspects of existence. It reflects the limitations of resources, time, emotional fulfillment, societal structures, and metaphysical realities. Rather than being a cause for despair, this law offers a pathway to a more meaningful and ethical life. By acknowledging and embracing our limitations, we can find contentment, foster compassion, and cultivate a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. In the end, the pursuit of everything is an illusion, and that distracts us from the beauty and the richness of the present moment. It is in recognizing and appreciating the limitations of our existence that we can find true fulfillment and live in harmony with ourselves, others, and the world around us. Thank you so much for listening, and until next time, if you find this video is helpful, please click like and a subscribe button to subscribe to my channel to support me to make more videos like this. Thank you.